ஸ்லிப்பு சொல்லாமா? Hi guys, in this video I have seen the unboxing of this iPad. I want say more to you. The reason being is in my home I have my own phone that just cost under 20,000 only. I didn't buy anything more than 20,000 or 30,000, but this is the only thing that is near to 1 lakh. I felt really precious for me because the reason I bought this iPad is only to the education, because in future after MBBS counseling starts for 2024, after that I should join a government medical college, and definitely for MBBS students for note making or drawing something diagrams, definitely the iPad will be very useful. Definitely you need it, so that's why I bought. Because in this 1 month I have made many thoughts, like making something videos like education content in YouTube, many things. After for MBBS also I have needed. The reason being, that's why I bought this iPad. Definitely you can also use for MBBS, those who are MBBS students also you can use it. For other purpose also you can use it, because it is a really good iPad. I'm just saying about iPad. This is actually an iPad Air 2024 model. In this, if you see, it's 13-inch, not 11-inch, the 13-inch model. And one more thing is, in this, what is GB, if you ask me, just 256 GB, and after that it has both Wi-Fi plus cellular. If you see, one thing is, if you ask everywhere, Wi-Fi will be available mostly, that also stock will be very limited, but Wi-Fi cellular is very high demanding, I think so, because stocks are not very less, so you can use it. But the very more thing about this is, actually the color is space gray. I have asked in 11 inches itself space gray color, but they didn't have. Finally I have shifted to 13 inches, but cost will be very more than the 11-inch, but it looks good very, and it is big in size. So I felt very happy when I bought the space gray color. This is the thing, I think you're able to see. Okay, in this video again I will show you what are the parts inside we have. You may sound like something is not there, but actually it is the reality. I don't have anything here. I'll show you also. Nothing is present, so because I have in my hand, so I have this. This is the iPad, you can see. Okay, to show this iPad and other accessory that I got in this box separately in very detail. the things I have got in this box. Seeing the unboxing and I have shown you the clear view in the view of the iPad and what are the things I have got. Finally, one more thing I should say about this is I am not saying the review of this iPad in very detail. I have not said it also, I can also say. The reason being is I can say this is good, and I can compare it and I also say very easily. But the reason being I'm not saying is I want to experience for few months. After that, idea like I should review. So please, I will review a video about not only this thing iPad. I have pencil to review and many things I have bought. So I have many things to review and make some unboxings and all. So I will do it in very few months, because I just not to say just by buying this after seeing 1 or 2 3 times or 1 2 3 days, and just if I say it is good, it's not that much worth, I think so. So I will review definitely after few months, after I have experienced very much and I felt like it is very happy that I definitely use it. I'll definitely review after just a few months later. One more thing, this this is the end of the video, but I have a little bit to say one more thing, that is about my channel. Why have shown only the iPad, not the iPad pencil, Apple pencil, you may think. The reason is I have not bought Apple pencil. I have bought the alternate of the Apple pencil, but I will show you in later, because I said now if I see something alternate to Apple pencil, that I should feel that it is very good after using it. So that's why I have thought I will make a video after few months or later. So definitely I will do it, but it takes little time because I should experience it. It feels like good. It works. Definitely I will do a video on that. One more thing, the reason that I made only the iPad is because I am going to in future, in next upcoming videos, if you mostly I will do only educational content, mostly on the concept of NEET aspirants. What are the what you can say, what are the study plans, how you should study, how should study physics, chemistry, what are the dots. If you are 2005 aspirant, definitely you can follow me, because I will make everything a clear view. Mainly this, those students who are want to crack 2025 NEET, it will be very high competitive, right? Because after that cutoff has been increased also. But definitely you can follow me, because in future if you gone MBBS also after 2025, definitely if you follow me, I will make videos after MBBS first year, second, it will be like behind me, so you can follow me very easily and crack every exams after this. Not only NEET and MBBS also, I will make MBBS videos also after this, after the 1 year. So definitely you can check it out, the upcoming videos. Next video will be mostly like what are the things I will explain in this YouTube channel, and what are the tips and tricks what I am going to say about this NEET, and what is the specialty about me, whether it is different from other YouTube channels. I will reveal one thing also surprisingly. So next video definitely you should watch, and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you like it. Thanks for watching.